Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on US Highway 11E, beginning at mile 24, already in the city limits of Jefferson City, Tennessee. US 11E runs concurrent with State Route 34 here. Now we'd like to thank our channel members for joining us. You can join Darren 175, Audubon 5425, Redhead, Stuart Webb, John Neal, Roadway Whiz, Ivan Hopper, Anthony Kennerson, and Moonshine Wilson as a road tripper. For as little as $1 per month, you can become a member and see our videos as soon as they're uploaded, instead of waiting for the regular schedule. And we'll have occasional members-only videos as well. Please see the link in the description for details. We drive into Morristown, briefly remaining in Jefferson County for a short distance. After that, we enter Hamblin County, where Morristown serves as the county seat. The city is situated in the Ridge and Valley region, a part of the larger Appalachian Highlands in the Appalachian Mountains. According to the 2020 United States Census, the city's population is 30,431. It serves as the main city in the Morristown Metropolitan Statistical Area, covering Granger, Hamblin, and Jefferson counties. This metropolitan area is also part of the Knoxville-Morristown-Sevierville Combined Statistical Area. Morristown was founded in 1855 and became prosperous because of its strategic location where two major stagecoach routes intersected. The city faced challenges during the Civil War, witnessing battles and changing control between Union and Confederate forces. After the war, Morristown's industrial growth continued with the expansion of rail access, establishing itself as a significant logistics hub in the 20th century. Since the mid-20th century, Morristown has evolved into the primary economic center and metropolis of the Lakeway area region. Efforts to expand the city's industrial sector have attracted over 100 companies, providing employment for about 30,000 people. In 2019, the city's daytime population, including commuters from surrounding areas, was reported to be 118,000, solidifying its position as a regional economic hub. Here we see an additional concurrency, albeit brief, with State Route 342. We conclude today's video at mile 35. Thanks for watching. Again, we've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.